Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Queen Karaoke, 5th floor at City Square, Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Okay. So ayan na guys, birthday ng aking idol na si Rods, si Sir Rods. Yan, from Singapore. Na best friend ko na. Ayan, so ang tagalan namin magkaibigan since 2018 up to now. So dito lang din sa Malaysia kami nagiging magkaibigan guys. So yan, dalawa pang Myanmar. Mga friends ni Leo, yung aking best friend. So ito na guys, simulan na. Ito yung aming beers. Pagkatapos, ayan, may pa-free pa na tea. Then may pa-cake si Mayor. Ayan, so actually 5 lang kami dyan kasi happy birthday on behalf of your friends. Happy birthday and God bless you always. Okay, before you blow the candle, you have to make a wish.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yay! Ayan guys, December 15, 2023. Yan yung aming handa. Okay, so cake from SDS. Okay, and kantahan na. Yes, 5th floor guys sa may City Square. Ayan, happy lang. Iyan, si birthday boy, si Sir Rods. Ayan, teacher siya sa Singapore. Ayan, kapag holiday, nagkita naman si Brother Jonathan, Myanmar. Siyempre, yours truly. And yung dalawa pang magkaibigang Myanmar na bata-bata ni Leo, aking best friend, taga Myanmar din. Yes.